Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Sendinblue affiliate program, full guide step by step clearly. To activate the Sendinblue affiliate program, start by visiting the Sendinblue website. Locate the affiliate section in the footer of the home page. Click on the affiliate program link to access more information. Review the details about the program, including commission rates and benefits. Scroll down to find the Join Now button and click on it. You will be redirected to the affiliate registration page. Fill out the registration form with your personal information, including your name and email address. Create a strong password for your affiliate account. Provide any additional information required, such as your website or promotional methods. Read and agree to the terms and conditions of the affiliate program. Click on the Submit button to complete your registration. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Sendinblue. Open the email and follow the instructions to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your Sendinblue affiliate account. Navigate to the dashboard to find your unique affiliate link. You can now start promoting Sendinblue using your affiliate link. Share your affiliate link through your website, blog, or social media channels. Monitor your performance through the dashboard to track clicks and earnings. Consider creating content that highlights Sendinblue's features to attract more referrals. Stay updated on any promotional materials or banners offered by Sendinblue. Regularly check your email for updates regarding affiliate program changes or bonuses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.